Good morning. I just got up, so I'm probably like a little puffy and quiet, but we are going to have a very interesting day today, so I thought to bring you guys along.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
I'm going to eat everything my 18-month-old eats. So for breakfast this morning, we're having a fruit cup. It is in natural sweetened water, and so I don't like it like with a bunch of like added sugar. She's gonna do mixed fruit. I'm gonna do peaches, and then we'll each have a waffle. Flipping those around right now. She is awake. She's just kind of like playing with her books. I can insert like a little clip. She's being super cute. She did just turn 18 months on the 28th, and it is April 2nd. So she is freshly 18 months, and I am... I need some coffee. But she has been like exploring the world, and she's just like having a blast and like wanting to get into everything and wanting to help me with everything, do the dishes and the laundry and vacuum, and like she is doing amazing. And I'm so excited to see like what the rest of the year brings. But yeah, so I wanted to take you guys along, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Good morning, honey. Are you trying to get your sleep sack off? There's a little bit of light. Ooh, you reading your books in here? Mama's seen you on the camera. Here, I'll help you. Oh, you're nice and warm. This is a really good sleep sack. It's the Hudson one off of Amazon, and it's long sleeve, like a quilted. But it's little llamas. It's so cute. Are you ready to eat? Come on. Outside, outside. You say good morning. Good morning. Now let him outside. Let him out, let him out, let him out. You're so cute in your little outfit. You got it? Good job, honey. Go, Lulu, go. It's too cold to walk out there. Hey, 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 hey. It's really cold. Hey, hey, we're at the close the door. Yeah. They're gonna, yeah, there we go. Hey, hey, hey. Boo. Hi, baby. Do you want me to go on that side? Boo. Come on. Let's go eat, silly. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. I gotta grab our waffles. I gotta grab our waffles. Mama has to cut yours up. And then I drain our fruit. She's excited for the fruit. Hold on. Let me drain it real quick. Let me drain it. love our food, but we have to be patient, please. Patient, please. Got it? Okay, can you stay right here with mommy while she cuts your waffle? Here, I'm gonna sit you down. Counter might be a little cold, but there we go. That's mommy's. Mommy's gonna eat everything you eat today. Does that sound like a plan? Yum. Okay, I like to cut hers up. I can hand her it, but then she'll take like too big of a bite. Oh, she's waving. She'll take too big of a bite, and I don't want to mess with that this morning. I am really tired. Oh, I can't eat until 30 minutes after I take my thyroid medicine. And so I can eat around maybe like 7:30. But what was I gonna say? Oh, she eats every 2 hours and I eat every 2 hours. So 3. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, you dropped a piece, honey. But yeah, so this is what we are eating, and I will check back in with you guys when we have our next meal. She's done with hers, asking for my food, but it is way later. Oh no. I haven't had these yet. I am not a fan.
Mama.
They taste like sugar-free, which they are. They're not added with a bunch of sugar, but it's not a good flavor. I might just feed that to her. Stick with my waffle. I almost forgot that we were showing what we were both eating today. And of course, she has to eat what I eat. So this is gonna be a fairly easy video to make. I just scrambled 2 eggs. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. Delicious, but that fruit cup was really gross this morning, and the waffle wasn't enough. Mom's hungry. Do you want another bite? But yeah, second breakfast down. Are you okay? She's just staring at me. I wanted to share that I have been drinking with every meal and snack 2 or more glasses of water. It's been super easy. My doctor actually kind of made it like, hey, like this is what you should. Why do I have egg everywhere, Mariana? He said this is how much you should be drinking. Almost like 100 fluid ounces because I have my coffee intake. because I have because I drink coffee, he wants my water intake a little bit higher. And so I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Hey, I'm trying to talk to them. I'm talking. Talking. So yeah, so I just want to say that I have been working as smaller serving sizes or like single servings for my foods and 2 to 3 glasses of water. I can get 2 glasses down pretty good. The third one's usually kind of harder, so I usually stick to the more 2. But I eat like 6 times a day, so that's 12 glasses of 12 glasses of water, which is 8 ounces. Water intake has been great. You want a cookie? I'm not trying to have a cookie though. And if you eat it, then I gotta eat it. I don't want a cookie. We don't need a cookie. Mom's gonna put it back. Okay, we will see you guys for lunch. And probably about like, well, no, it's only 8. She might snack again. Probably give her some maybe like Nilla wafers. But it's almost 9. She goes down for a nap at 12, and then when she wakes up from her nap at 1:30, that's usually when we eat lunch. She is trying to get into the fruit cups. Okay, I'm just blabbering on. I don't even know if I'm going to include this. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, we will see you guys for the next snack. We're excited! Having some Nilla wafers. It's 9:38, so it seems like we've eaten every hour this morning. Sometimes like that, if they're little snacks. Here, that should fill you up. She did have a cup of milk, or not a cup. She had like 2 ounces of milk. Have your water. You're gonna want your water. I don't drink milk, but I guess I got a little bit of milk in my coffee. Drink my coffee, got my water. Now I'm gonna snack what she's snacking on, so I guess we'll have some Nilla wafers. Oh no! Hello, we're back. We're doing lunch, which is leftover from yesterday. Most of our lunches are usually the leftover from the night before, which I'm not complaining. It's good food. It was baked chicken. I put gravy on everything. It's homemade gravy, so we kind of controlled the sodium a little bit. We have stuffing, corn. Oh, she's getting a piece of corn. Baked chicken, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Delicious. She had her own little plate, but she wanted more, so she left it here. I could probably give her mashed potatoes she left. But it sounded good, and I was hungry, so we're eating all together. She likes the corn. I really didn't let her have corn because she can't really digest it, but she seems to. Oh, you got some gravy. But yeah, so it is kind of later in the afternoon. She took a late nap, and so she got up a little bit later. It's 3:16 right now. Normally we eat about 4 and then eat dinner at 6. I don't know if she's gonna want to snack because it's a pretty heavy meal. So we might see you guys for dinner. Might have a snack. I don't think so. So, all right, we will see you in just a second. Okay,
party foul because I made dinner and I was running all around, and it was like I get all like blah, 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 blah when I make dinner, and so I totally forgot to show what we made. But I hand made some enchiladas, hand made some Mexican rice, Spanish rice, and then some refried beans, and I wanted to show you guys. They turned out delicious. So Mariana didn't have the enchiladas because to me the enchilada sauce is a little like hot, and so she had the beans, the rice, and she had a Too Good vanilla yogurt. And I gave her one of these because of the protein in it. It's 12 grams of protein. And so I kind of just did that as like a replacement of the chicken that we had. She got to have that. So yeah, I just wanted to say that that is what we had for dinner. We actually did not end up snacking earlier because my mom and my sister came by, and that kind of like distracted us and kept us busy until we ate. I wanted to close out the video and say thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it today, and I hope this kind of like helps someone that's looking for like meal ideas or whatever. And I kind of just got used to like having her eat what we eat, and if I need to modify it a little bit, I will. But I try most of the time to kind of like feed her what we eat. I do feel like a little weird feeding her some things, but it's kind of like a hit or miss. So you do what you want to do with your family, and yeah, so if you eat a certain amount of food or you eat a certain type of food or whatever, just give them to them, and I promise that they will be happy. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next.